Hi guys, if you want to learn how to create this look, then just keep watching. Reme is now going to show us how to create a beautiful neon orange 3D orange. Lots of oranges. So first, grab your jelly shade, which is a transparent colour from our collection. This is Valencia Orange, and you're going to want to pop this all over the nail. Then you're going to go in with a second coat of that and repeat the same step. Once your two coats are cured, you are going to pick an orange of your choice, and this is going to be for the outside border, as Reme is showing you here near the cuticle. So Reme has chosen blazed orange here, which is absolutely stunning. It's super vibrant, really good pigment, and this is going to be perfect for the outer line of this design. Okay, so first things first is pick out your liner brush. This is the one that Reme's using today on our website. You can purchase this, just check out the description box below. They're brilliant, they do hold their form and they don't tend to splay at the ends, which is really handy when you are doing detailed nail art. So the key to perfecting this design is the base. Now you want to create almost like a French tip here at the bottom of the nail. So it's going to be a medium thickness, and then you're going to be really thin around the side walls of the nail, and then you're going to copy what you did at the tip but at the cuticle. You will see how Reme does this in just a moment. And while we're watching, why don't we all comment down below what our favourite fruit is? Seeing as we are doing an orange nail today, what's your favourite fruit? Mine is strawberry. What's yours? Make sure to comment it down below and leave us a orange love heart if you are still with us, just so we know that you are enjoying this video today. Okie dokie, so fab, that is now going to go into cure. Once you've done that, you are going to take Snow White, and this is going to be where the detail starts. Taking your liner brush, you are now going to use Snow White to outline the circle of orange that you just did around the nail. Don't panic if it doesn't go right. Start thinner and then you can always adjust as you go. Don't panic with this, just freehand it, breathe and try not to panic. And then it will come out perfect, trust me. Look at Reme go. Those lines are looking fire. If you're a nail tech, you know fine lines like this are super tricky, especially when there's a camera on you. So she's doing a great job. So if you've done that and cured it, we are going to be moving on to the next step now. You're going to want to take a dotting tool, medium size, and pop a white dot in the center of that design. From there, you're going to use your liner brush, and through the top, bottom, right and left hand side, you are going to draw a line. Then, easy as that, you're just going to go in between those lines on a diagonal, and you can start to see the fruit shape coming together now. Once you've done that and your lines are all in place, just make sure to curve out all of the corners. This is essential for this design. Pop that into cure, and once that's done, you are going to take the snow white again on the dotting tool and add another dot on top of the center, and from there you are just going to create some small detailed lines coming off of that. This is honestly looking incredible, and it's not even done yet. You can see how fine our brushes are. They are creating gorgeous, gorgeous detail here. So you might be thinking, how are we going to create the 3D look then? Well, we are using Clear as Day Biab, which is from our Builder in a Bottle range. And using this and a liner brush, you are going to create a bead on the end of your brush. Once you have collected the builder gel on the end of your brush, make sure to always keep it tilted downwards, and this will help you control where the bead lands. And then once you are on the nail, you just want to push it around gently just to create the thicker end and drag down using less pressure to create a thin center. You are going to do this on the left and right hand side of each segment of the orange. Now, if you're a beginner, I can hear your brain screaming already, what if I mess it up and then I've got to wipe it, all of this stuff. So what you could do if you are panicking a little bit about using builder gel as your first time, or just in general for nail art, you could top coat this nail first and then do that, so that if you do make any mistakes, you could just wipe it off. But the benefit of using our builder gel is that it is not too runny and it does hold its consistency and its form. So as long as you flash cure in between each line that you do and just take your time, you are going to be fine and it will look brilliant. So Reme has almost finished with that 3D section now, and then she's just going to cure that and then go in with a top coat to finish. I think this nail came out fantastic. You could do this in any colour, any design you like, but it is a brilliant way to start practicing your 3D nail art whilst having a current design, because it is summer, so the fruit goes really well. But we are just going to top coat now and then we are done. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you would like to see any more, make sure to hit the notification bell and click subscribe if you haven't already, because that's brilliant. We have a lovely community and family over here with Naio Nails, and we would love to hear your feedback. Thanks again for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Goodbye.